Well, happy good morning, everybody. It's the first time I'm vlogging, and it's Wednesday, the 15th of April. Really wasn't much going on. Even like for Easter on Sunday, obviously we didn't go with family. We stayed home. Just had a little ham and kielbasi dinner. That's really it. It was nice and quiet. I'll just put it that way, it was nice and quiet. Monday, obviously didn't do too much. Nothing even worth even talking about. Tuesday, same thing. That's the only bad thing. I'm working, at least I'm keeping a little bit busy. But otherwise, it's quiet. But today, I might be running over town to get some groceries. We're kind of getting low on like meats and whatnot, so I didn't realize how low we were on them until I opened the freezer. Like, ooh, yeah, I gotta get some things. So I'm probably gonna be either doing that at my lunch or after work. And we might be ordering out today, just trying to help support some local restaurants in the area. But yep, and we're gonna be on D&G Explorers Live tonight. We're doing a nice little cruise trivia, so that's gonna be fun. But yeah, that's on the agenda for today for so far. Rest of the week is kind of quiet. Nothing planned because obviously really can't do too much. Would like to get out walking more, but the weather's been kind of been iffy, either rainy or it's like really chilly, and yeah, gotta love April in Pennsylvania. But what are you gonna do? But it is kind of sunny, so maybe I don't know if we're gonna have time tonight with everything, but maybe tomorrow. We'll see what happens. And at this point, I'm just rambling. But hope everybody has a great day. And probably next time I'll pop in. Probably be tomorrow or Friday. We'll see what happens. If something happens in the meantime, obviously, I'll pop back on. Talk to you guys later. Well, happy good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, April the 16th. It's sunny, but it snowed last night. April is weird in Pennsylvania. One moment it could be like 60-ish, 50, 60s. The next day you could have snow. So that's what we had last night. Enjoying my cup of coffee here. It's about, well, yeah, it is 11:30. This morning's going by quick. I actually had the morning off today. Just kind of switching some hours, I guess, between the reps. And so far I had this past Tuesday and now today with the morning off. So I'll have to log in at 1 o'clock for work. Not complaining. So in the meantime, I've edited the vlog from the first week, calling it my quarantine vlog, I guess. So I'll just link it up in the eye above. Finished the second quarantine vlog, which you see computer back there. So at least I got those done. Now I'm gonna be cleaning the bathroom. But last night with D&G Explorers and Fisher Fun Ventures, Empty Nest Traveling, I believe that's what her new name is. I know it used to be Sandra D's Adventures, and of course Miss Nurse Nancy, Nautical Nurse Nancy. Had such a fun time with the cruise trivia. So I want to thank those guys again for having us on. Just made our evening just put a smile on our faces. So thanks again, guys, for having us on there. And I'm trying to think what else we did yesterday besides the trivia. Of course, made dinner. Well, I had to make dinner and we had to get dinner. Yeah. So we had the idea of ordering dinner just to support local restaurants in the area. So I placed the order and they told me $7.20. I never thought anything of it. And Dave says, the live tonight at 8. Oh, yeah. So I just didn't put two and two together. So I made something for us quick here to have. And then Dave went to pick up dinner and just came home right about 8 o'clock. So we have dinner for tonight. So did that, and I gave myself a pedicure. Yeah, it's almost summer, people, even though it snowed last night. So trying to work on my feet. I painted my toenails, gave myself a foot soak. No, she was pretty nice. Treated myself, but self-maintenance. But so right now the agenda is possibly cleaning the bathroom. And maybe just straighten up around here. And I have to ask, what is it about cleaning a bathroom that everybody hates? Because I don't like it. You put it off till the last minute, and I just don't know what it is about it. But it's got to be done, and I'm giving in. It needs to be done. And clean out the refrigerator because tomorrow's garbage day. So be doing that. So I think that's going to do from now until 1 o'clock. Then go to work. Then have the evening to ourselves. So I'll check in either later on, or if not, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Holy crap.
Thank you.
Is it April? Yeah. Good morning, everybody. It's Friday. Yay, it's Friday. Oh, I've been home all week, but anyway. It is Friday the 17th. It's a beautiful sunny day. It's cold. It snowed last night, but it's April in Pennsylvania, so it's typical. But, so I think sometime today, maybe like on my lunch or whatnot, I am going to make a cinnamon, what was it, easy cinnamon bread, I believe it's called. I saw it on Facebook this morning. It sounded really good. And I figured it'd be good for tomorrow morning with some coffee. So I'm going to be making that. And I'm not sure what's going to be going on for the rest of the day. I did just have to share a little tidbit with you guys. It was kind of funny. Dave came home yesterday and dropped a package and told me to open it. It was a present for me. I opened the box. I'll show you what he gave me. You think he's giving a hint? So, yeah, apparently I'm cutting his hair. That's going to be fun. So I'm going to try to learn and see how to use this thing. And maybe either do it tonight or tomorrow. I told him if it comes out bad, don't yell at me. His hair is getting long and it's kind of becoming a pain. So, yeah. And he's way overdue for a haircut. So, I'll be dabbling in that. Hopefully it comes out okay. But other than that, I think that's really about it for now. Tonight we'll just do the same thing as we've been doing every night. Just chilling, have dinner, and probably either watch YouTube or whatever's on TV. But just wanted to pop in this morning, say hey, and whenever I make that cake, not the cake, that bread, I'll show you guys how I make it. let this cool down for roughly about 15 minutes. And yeah, it looks weird. There was a little piece of cinnamon that was stuck at the bottom of the can, so I just on top there. Whatever. But so let it cool down for about 15-20 minutes, and I could put the glaze on it. Holy crap on a cracker. It's been snowing all afternoon and looks like it's January out here. This is crazy. Well, happy Saturday, everybody. It's still snowing. It looks like January in the backyard. It looks so weird. But it's a little bit warmer. I think it's just hit 40 degrees. And somebody's still playing in the snow. What do you think, bud? Noisy birds. But at least somebody still enjoys it. Well, I do enjoy it too, but it's April. I'm ready for spring. So, I don't know what the agenda is for today. I don't know if we're going to be going to that barbecue. There's actually another brewery that's having a little like beer and barbecue thing, takeout. But last I heard, they were all sold out, but they might be getting more this morning. So, more supplies for the barbecue. So, we'll see what happens there. But, other than that, I think Tucker's going to enjoy the snow. And I'll talk to you later. Noisy Blue Jays this morning. Well, we've made it out of the house, and I cut his hair.
Woo.
Doesn't look half bad, I guess.
Looks good. You did good. I'm not bald and I'm not bleeding. All's good.
That is good. Thank you, dear. But yes, we're out of the house. We're gonna go for a beer run. Shock. Get some local brews from the place that we got the chicken dinners a couple weeks ago. So we're gonna go do that. We also gotta make a CVS run.
Yep.
Yeah. Not that I really want to do it, but gotta.
There's snow.
And there's snow.
On April 18th.
Mm-hmm. No, today's 18th.
Yep.
Wow. But other than that, I think we're gonna go grab some food later on and finish watching the quarantine cruise on today.
Yeah, we gotta get back quick because I don't want to miss much of it.
Yeah. We're
A lot of great vloggers on today, and we want to definitely support and take part in it.
Absolutely. We all gotta help each other out. So, with that being said, we're gonna go for a little road trip. Alright, Dave went in to get the beer, and we're gonna be alternating. He'll go for the beer, I'll go on CVS. I know a lot of places they want more than one person coming in, so I got some funky hair going on today. Whatever. My quarantine hair, you really need to get a trim. At least somebody got a trim today. But I could hold off until my stylist is ready. But just in here waiting and go to CVS, then go home. Woo! Oh. He's got the beer. Beer, check. Now we're on to CVS. Try not to be in here too long. Well, here's our dinner for tonight. Woo! Well, I guess history is repeating itself because I'm closing out yet again on Wednesday of the following week. It happens. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching our vlogs the last few weeks with this craziness that's going on. I'm glad we're doing this again just to be connected to you guys, since there's really no activities or travels going on. So thank you all so very much for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel because at some point we will have some cruise vlogs. We're hoping July, hopefully. Right now, the Carnival Magic, that's our next scheduled cruise, is the second sailing right now from the next hold from cruising. I believe the hold right now is until June 26th or 27th, and ours is July 4th, so it's the second sailing. So fingers crossed things do get better and get back to somewhat normalcy for everybody's sake. I hope you all are staying safe, staying well through this crazy time, and it's really a crazy time that we're going through. But thank you so much again. Greatly appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.